Welcome to the video where we will be discussing 5 easy ways to make money with ChatGPT. If you are new to ChatGPT, it is a language model trained by OpenAI that can help you with a variety of tasks such as answering questions, generating text, and even holding conversations. So, let's dive into the ways you can use ChatGPT to make Step 1. Answer questions on Q&A websites. Many websites pay users to answer questions on their platform, such as Quora or Stack Exchange. You can use ChatGPT to quickly generate answers to questions in your area of expertise and get paid for it. This is a great way to earn money while sharing your knowledge. Step 2. Writing articles or blog posts. If you have a knack for writing, you can use ChatGPT to assist you in creating articles or blog posts for websites. Some websites will pay you to write articles on a particular topic or niche, and you can use ChatGPT to help with research and generating content. This is an excellent way to make money while honing your writing skills. Step 3. Translation services. ChatGPT can also help you provide translation services. If you are bilingual or multilingual, you can use ChatGPT to help with translation tasks. You can sign up for a website that connects translators with clients, and use ChatGPT to help you translate text quickly and accurately. This is a great way to make money while using your language skills. Step 4. Voiceover services. If you have a good speaking voice, you can use ChatGPT to help with voiceover services. Many companies need voiceover work for their videos, advertisements, or even audiobooks. You can sign up for a website that connects voiceover artists with clients, and use ChatGPT to help you with the script and recording process. This is a great way to make money while using your voice acting skills. Step 5. Customer service. Lastly, you can use ChatGPT to provide customer service. Many companies are looking for people to answer customer questions and concerns. You can use ChatGPT to help you quickly generate responses to common questions and issues. This is a great way to make money while helping people. That concludes our video on 5 easy ways to make money with ChatGPT. If you have any other ideas on how to make money with ChatGPT, feel free to share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.